You don't need another strategy. You don't need a new platform. You don't need to do more to get the results you want online. What you need is clarity. Because when you're clear on these three things, who you're speaking to, what you help them with, and why it matters, your message becomes magnetic. And people lean in to listen because they finally feel seen. Stay with me because I'm going to show you in this video how clarity turns confidence into clients. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've lived a lot of life. I've built businesses. I've started over more times than I can count. I've learned that confidence isn't something you wait for. It's something you build step by step with support and clarity. And what I'm sharing with you today is one of the biggest shifts that helped me and now helps my clients speak online with certainty instead of self-doubt. Most women I talk to say they want to show up online, they just don't know what to say. And the reason for that is simple. When you're unclear internally, you're not able to express yourself confidently externally. If your message feels vague, scattered, or unsure, your audience can't connect to it. It's not that they don't want to hear from you, it's just that they don't understand what you stand for. This is not a flaw, it just means you've been focused on performing rather than connecting. Instead of speaking to everyone, start speaking to one person, the person you know because you were once her. The woman who's ready for more, but unsure where to begin. Capable, but doubting herself. Longing to be seen, but afraid to be visible. You know her because you lived her story. When you speak to her, everything softens. Your voice steadies and everything becomes clear. That is the moment confidence begins. Your message isn't something you invent. Your message is something you remember. A moment you struggled. A moment you overcame. A moment you realized you were stronger than you thought. How many of those moments have you had? I know for myself, so many. So many moments that I was struggling. So many moments where I stuck with it and I overcame. So many moments that I realized that I got through something really difficult and I was stronger than I thought. There is a lesson there, and that lesson is the heart of your message. Your clarity already is inside of you. You're just learning to speak from that place. Clarity begins to make your presence powerful. When you are clear, your presence changes. You stop overthinking your words, comparing yourself to others, and worrying how you're going to be perceived. You start speaking with purpose, connecting from your heart, showing up as the real you authentically. And the real you, your authentic self, she's magnetic. This is why the women in my Digital Success Club tell me their confidence shifts within weeks. Not because they become someone new, but because they finally allow themselves to be who they truly are. Inner work and personal development help you know yourself and share your natural gifts with others. Learn to let go and just be yourself. Your magnetism will shine. Become part of my Digital Success Club for more support about becoming your authentic self. Click the link below. You don't have to build this alone. Clarity grows faster in community. When you are surrounded with other women who are also stepping into visibility, you start to see yourself differently. You see possibility. You see courage mirrored back to you. You remember who you are. That's why I created my Digital Success Club, a space where we build confidence, visibility, clarity, and income together. No overwhelm, no figuring it out alone, just support, structure, and women linking arms together. Comment below, which part is harder for you right now, confidence or clarity? Just type the words and I'll personally reply. And if you want something that will instantly help you feel more confident on camera, grab my free top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence. It's the exact plan I use to align my outer style with my inner confidence, so I could show up authentically on camera and attract the clients that were just waiting for me. Click the link below. Because when you look aligned, you speak aligned, and your message lands deeper. And in the next video, episode 3, we're going to talk about how to feel confident on camera even when you don't feel ready. You don't need more strategy, you need clarity. And you're already closer than you think. You might be wanting to learn more about me and why I started this business so you can also start this passive income journey. It all starts with watching the next video, because when you pair what you just learned with what's on the next video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.